How to edit audio in Descript. So we'll quickly switch to Descript. Over here, you can click on new project and click on audio project. Upload your audio file. So I'm just going to find a podcast audio recording. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to let it process. Once it is done processing, we will come back. Okay, so this is finished processing. I am going to now switch to full screen. So there are two ways that you can edit. You can edit using the transcript here. Also, I will just show you on the timeline what it looks like. I'm zooming out and you can edit here. So let's say we don't like this section. So you can see how it has selected this section. And if I press backspace, it has deleted it. Or I can do this and I can say delete. That is one. Second is you want to create a different segment. So let's say we come here, we use the blade tool as we've seen in the last tutorial, and I've created this segment. This segment I want to edit the audio levels for. So I can add fade or crossfade, whatever I want over here. I can select this. I can go to layer. So for every section, you have to go to layer and then you can reduce the volume for this. And
This is a great way to overlook that bigger sites might overlook. This is a great way to establish yourself as an expert.
this is how you edit audio in Descript.